In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use TradingView for market analysis while ensuring your trades are executed with your FTMO account. TradingView is a fantastic tool for conducting in-depth technical analysis, but it's essential to understand how it integrates, or rather doesn't directly integrate, with FTMO's platforms like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or CTrader. So let's walk through this process together and make sure you get everything you need to know. First, let's start by opening TradingView. You'll want to log into your TradingView account and have a chart open and ready for analysis. TradingView is known for its extensive library of tools and indicators, so make sure you are comfortable navigating around. Once you're in, you can begin setting up alerts. This is where TradingView really shines. You can utilize its alerting features to receive notifications when specific technical conditions are met, such as a breakout or a certain RSI level being reached. Speaking of RSI, using indicators such as the Relative Strength Index can be incredibly helpful. It's a popular tool among traders for identifying potential overbought or oversold conditions in the market, giving you a visual cue for when these situations arise. Implementing indicators is surely beneficial when analyzing the market dynamics and making more informed decisions. Additionally, you'll want to apply some strategies from the TradingView community. A specific one to highlight is the FTMO Rules Monitor. Finding and applying this strategy helps you track your progress and ensures that you are staying within the prop firm's guidelines. This is important because maintaining adherence to their rules is crucial to your success during the FTMO challenge or when you're managing an account. Now, it's essential to consider some important constraints and integrations. One key point to note is that TradingView does not offer direct order execution for FTMO accounts. This is where third-party tools come into play. If you're looking for a full automated solution, Pine Connector can serve as a bridge. It acts to link TradingView's strategy alerts directly to FTMO's MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 platform. This way, your analysis on TradingView can seamlessly transition into executed trades, streamlining your workflow. As you maneuver through these steps, make sure you carefully choose the supported platform that FTMO offers. Whether it's MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or CTrader, this decision should align with your strategic needs and comfort level, ensuring you have an efficient setup when you begin your challenge or account management with FTMO. I hope this guide helps you get started on using TradingView effectively in combination with your FTMO account setup. Remember, the key is combining the powerful analysis tools that TradingView offers with the execution capabilities of FTMO's supported platforms. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading!